Welcome to a brand new series called Dfmtv Quick Tips, where I'm going to take the most common issues that you guys have reported and give you tips on how to resolve them. So let's get started. Today's quick tip is about that your Firestick remote works the Firestick with no issues, but it does not power your television. It does not work the volume or mute button. Today's quick fix is going to take care of just that. So the first thing that we need to do is jump over to the right to settings. Once you're over settings, you're going to go down and click on where it says equipment control. Click on equipment control, and then you're going to go down and click on manage equipment. Once you're clicking over manage equipment, you're going to click on TV, and then you're going to go to the very bottom and you're going to click on where it says change TV. Once you do that, it'll say guided setup will take about 5 to 10 minutes. It really does not take that long. It usually takes about a minute or two tops, sometimes a lot less. But let's go ahead and click on where it says change TV, and it's going to go ahead and start preparing the remote. Pretty much is searching right now for the type of television that your current Firestick is plugged into, and if it does not find that particular brand, then it'll give you a list of all kinds of different brands that you can get to. In my case, it's going to be a Vizio. Once I click on a Vizio, it's going to go ahead and run over to the next step, and all you're doing is following these prompts, and you're going to hit the power button to turn it on and off, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to hit the power button, and it's going to give you this pop-up when you turn your television back on, and it's going to ask you pretty much, did your TV turn off when you hit the power button, and you're going to hit yes or no. Obviously, if it did, you're going to hit yes. In my case, it did, so I'm going to hit yes. It's your Fire TV remote has now been updated. You're gonna hit OK, and that's it. Now you'll be able to run the volume, the mute button, and the power button with your Firestick remote. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's Dfmtv quick tip. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.